Hey everyone, welcome to How Ines Rolls. Today we're doing things a little different around here. You're going to be going around with us as we get things ready for Paul's birthday tonight. Today is his actual birthday, so we have some ideas and some plans. So he is already at work, but we're going to make it a little extra special today. So let's go. All right, first up, we're going to be washing our car and getting Paul a car wash. Fingers crossed that I can get him one, but I think we should be able to. And then after that, we're gonna pick up a little quick lunch and then head over to pick up a birthday card. Just picked up some pizza from Cafe Rio, from Little Caesars, and then we're gonna run into Target for some cards and maybe some more candy for Paul, and then we have one more stop on the way home. Ezra's already wanting to get something for Paul for Father's Day. Oh, best dad.
What do you have for me?
Couch potato. Stinker. On the hunt to look for something for Paul. Of course, the boys are much distracted by the toys. Focus, focus, focus. What are we getting, Dad, now? Ice cream. Paul is a big fan of ice cream, so we thought we would get him his favorite. Well, his favorite from Cold Stone. So we were able to get Paul his favorite ice cream, and I just put it in the freezer. And then I got some for me and the boys to share. And our favorite, or it's actually my favorite that I convinced them to get, German chocolate. Let me show you. Chocolate ice cream with coconut and pecans and caramel sauce, brownie pieces. It is decadent and it is so good. So Ezra is a fan of coconut too, huh? Yeah.
I'm a big fan.
How is it?
So good.
It's really hot outside, so this is perfect, huh? Just a little treat for us. And then we're going to take Dad to dinner. Where are we going to take him?
Chili's.
Chili's. So I'm just going to do some lightly cleanups, and we're also going to fill out his Paul's birthday cards. And Ezra he's been thinking about what he wants to write in his dad's card, and it is super sweet. All right, so we have some cards for Paul and some M&Ms, and I'm gonna put them in my purse, and then we'll take them to the restaurant and be like, oh, we have gifts for you. That's a good idea, right, Ezzy? So we're on our way now. It's time to take the birthday boy out, so we're heading to Chili's. So where we live, they are doing dine-in now. So we are able, this is gonna be our first time going to eat inside a restaurant. That will be pretty exciting. It's been months, literally months since we've been inside of a restaurant. So we thought we would take Paul to one of our favorites as a family, and that's Chili's, and we're gonna show you what we order. So let's go. Eating. And what are you going to get, Ezzy?
I'm gonna get fries.
Salad to start.
Fries.
And
The chicken and the chicken strips.
yep,
How do you feel about coming to the restaurant?
feels good.
Feels good. Kind of weird, right? And these two are deciding what they want. Did you figure out what you wanted?
Mm-hmm.
Yeah. How do you feel about being in the restaurant for the first time?
It's my first time.
I know, but it's been a while. So how did you feel?
Good. I like it here.
You like it here? You picked something out already?
Yes, I did.
Yes. It's your birthday.
I was gonna be like Jones. I was like, good. I did.
Did you have a good day at work?
I mean, I'd rather spend my birthday at home, but a lot of people had vacation, so I went to work.
Yeah. Well, we're making up. We're going out. We gave him a couple
Well, I
of
don't wanna
cards.
open this.
No, of course not. But he got some M&Ms.
I'll open. Is this a boy's card?
Just open that one. That's fine.
I'm going to cuddle you so hard. Jonas, are you gonna cuddle me? Oh yes.
I don't cuddle you.
You'll fart.
It's a funny card.
You're so inappropriate.
And then we got him a car wash.
That is awesome. And then the boys.
And then this one's actually just Ezra. Jonas wanted the M&Ms. And he wrote all of that by himself.
Oh, thank you. I love you.
It's a little sentimental, huh?
It is perfect.
Aww.
And then, yep, good job. Oh, that smells so good.
I know, right? Ezra, that looks so good. Some chicken strips. We're just waiting for some ketchup.
Yep.
Look at I got some soup and salad. Paul got some fajitas. Those look good.
They do. They smell good.
And I'm so lucky because Paul's not a condiments kind of guy. And then Jonas got some ribs, corn on the cob, and some French fries. So we got some cheesecake, but we all have a case of the giggles. Don't spit that out.
Good.
Ready to go?
Yep.
What do you want to do when we get home?
Go play outside.
Go play outside. You have some extra video game time.
I do?
Yeah.
Oh, yeah, we were really nice.
They were very nice to each other today, so they get 30 more minutes. And then Paul has an interview with somebody from church.
It's not an interview. It's like.
Oh,
Meeting.
yeah, it's just a meeting.
It's just a meeting.
Paul has a meeting with somebody from church.
It's a meeting.
It's a meeting.
It's a meeting without the ing.
All right, let's go. I am nice and full. So, let's go home. And eat more. Looks like the boys are working on something. What are you guys doing?
Jonas wants to paint one of his PlayStation controllers.
And you thought you'd help them?
Yeah, he thought I'd rather spend my birthday doing this than anything else.
In fact, he even woke him up at 7 in the morning.
He did. Much to my surprise and dismay.
Jonas, what color do you want it?
I don't know.
He doesn't even know.
Well, I know it's going to be good, though.
It's going to be good because Dad's going to do it. And this cutie's riding his bike. That helmet fit you better?
Yeah.
Yeah. It's getting near the end of the day. It's approaching 7 o'clock and it's still 102 degrees. That's what it is when you live in the desert. It doesn't get cooler usually in the evening. It just stays hot all night long. And then in the morning, it's like 90 again, and then it just goes from there. So, tell me what the temperature is where you live. I bet it's cooler, unless you live in Phoenix. All right, so Paul's almost headed out, and then I think we'll be headed in. So, just standing out here, our neighbor came over and brought Kobe a card for graduation. Isn't that super cute, super nice? So generous. We have great neighbors. Look at the boys. Alright, so we're back out here. It's nice and dark outside.
It's hot.
Yeah, it's so hot. I was saying it's like 102 still outside. Tomorrow will be 107. So Paul is doing some airbrushing, and it was black and now it's going to blue, and then you're going to do a brighter blue now.
Yeah, I'm going to do some yellow accents first.
Okay. So we are winding out our night. We've done lots of things today. Car washes, gift cards, lunch for the kids, out to dinner with Paul, little presents, playing outside, just so much stuff. And honestly, it's not like tons, but it feels like it because we haven't done like tons a lot normally. So, but it just feels like a full day, and hopefully everybody falls asleep pretty fast. So thanks so much for stopping by the channel. We had a great time with Paul today. I know that he enjoyed all of the little treats and all of the well wishes that he got. And we're just so grateful for him and love him very much. So thanks again for stopping by the channel. Give it a thumbs up, and I'll see you soon. Stick around, rollers. You just never know what I'll be rolling out next. Bye, everyone.